Totally with Chainsaw Brothers. We're out here in Lester on a daily rate. We're going to take all these pines right here. We're topping every bit of it. He wants to keep his privacy. His service runs right through there. So he wants to get it below the service so if something happens, he don't lose his power or nothing like that. In this corner right here, we've got another service going to another house. Boom, big boom, baby. We got another service going to another house over there, and so all that's gonna have to be rigged real slow. We're gonna have 2 climbers, bucket truck, 2 guys on the ground, and we're gonna get it done as fast as we can. Just remember, we're here for all your chainsaw needs. If you need anything, give us a call. Coley with Chainsaw Brothers. We're on day 2 of this daily right here, and we've got a lot done. We got 2 climbers back here in the corner, cutting all this back. Cody's in the bucket truck right here. Kind of turn this thing around. This kind of shows you the monster pile of chips we got here, how much we chipped yesterday. But this stuff was hanging out that far over the house. We've trimmed everything back way past the power lines here, which we've got their service drop. On this side here, we're not so lucky. We've got a second service. It comes in, goes to this pole, and then it turns. So we can't drop their service, so we're having to slowly rig everything down. We're gonna take this big lead off here and it'll really open this up. But this was all 30-foot pass. So they just want their service cleared all the way to the house. I think we've topped like 30 trees all together now. We've probably got 30 more to do. So y'all stay blessed. Western North Carolina strong. Remember, if you need anything, we're here for all your chainsaw needs. Thank you. What's up? It's Coley with the Chainsaw Brothers. So here we are. Three days, 50 trees, vines, cherries, maples, everything. Did we work our butt off or what? A little bit. I mean, it's a little bit of an understatement. I think these guys did a great job. 3 like huge piles of mulch. Just one of the things you guys see in person. We got a little bit left to clean up. I'm gonna go ahead and take the bucket truck to another job, so we'll be working in Candler. Remember, Chainsaw Brothers are here for all your needs, especially your chainsaw needs. Give us a call if you need anything. Western North Carolina strong. Stay blessed.